Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I wanted to share something from the Gene Keys. So, one of the things I study, my name is Faith Storms. I'm a licensed social worker therapist, and one of the things I study is something called human design and the Gene Keys. So today I had a no show and I'm in my office, so I couldn't just go do dishes or go do chores at home. So I was looking through my email and found this week's Gene Key email, which every week there's a different Gene Key that is discussed and shared about. And this week it is Gene Key 51, and that has to do with agitation, and the gift is initiative, and the city is awakening. And Richard Rudd was describing all these things and shared his understanding of this. And it was just what I needed to hear, so I wanted to share it here. So, agitation is something we all face, we all deal with. And he said there are two ways through it. One way is to outweight the pattern, which he said, like the Buddha described this, where you just sit and notice, and you just be with it until it's gone or until it passes. So you outweight it. But he said the other way to deal with agitation is the use of creativity. And this particular Gene Key talks about using creativity to move through agitation. And I found this really, really interesting. So this is what I want to share. So he said to beware of harshness, that gentleness and mildness are key. And here is how it works. And as he was describing this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like a balm to my soul. So first of all, you lean into the agitation. He said, just bring up an agitation. We are full of them. Yes, isn't that the truth? So you bring up an agitation, and rather than no, the way we tend to do, he said you lean into it. And I teach this to clients all the time. We can't just run away from things. We can't distance from things. We have to actually accept them. Acceptance. So you lean into it. You actually accept this agitation, whatever it is. And then he said you be creative in the sense that you go to your intuition, you go within to your creativity, your intuition about how to approach this. And then you soften. And that's the key right there. You soften. You don't fight it. You don't resist it. You soften, you allow. And as you soften, he said you let it glide past you. You let the agitation glide past you. Oh, my whole body relaxes when I hear that. He described awakenings as a series of softenings. Isn't that beautiful? A series of softenings. So, try that. When we're faced with an agitation, a problem, a challenge, whatever we want to call it, don't run away from it, don't fight it. Face it, lean into it, go within, go to yourself, because he said that each of our paths, the initiative, the action, the movement, the shifting, that middle part of that 3-step process is unique to you. Only your creativity is your creativity. Your initiative is your initiative. No one can tell you what to do. No master, no teacher, no one. Only you know, and it's an inside job. It's from within. So we go within, we soften, we allow, and then you let the agitation glide past. So awakening is a series of softenings. That really, really touched me today. And I wanted to share that with you. I hope it is helpful to you.